Welcome to the Old Mission Boat Company's construction videos for the Boardman 14. In this video, I will show you how to install the pressure vent. The pressure vent is installed into the bow block using a 7/16 drill bit. Refer to your measurements or pictures to locate the position of the bow block. Tape off the area around the vent position to protect the deck while you drill. It is best to drill a small guide hole first. That will assure the larger 7/16 bit will drill straight and not try to wander. You must drill the vent hole all the way through the block. Mix up a batch of thickened epoxy and coat the threaded portion of the vent plug, making sure to fill the threads all the way around with epoxy. Be careful not to get any epoxy inside the plug. You can help avoid that by placing the 1/4 installation screw into the plug before you apply the epoxy. The vent plug must be installed with the slotted end pointed down. Place the plug onto the hole and use a Phillips screwdriver to start threading the plug into the deck. Be very careful to hold the plug vertical as you start the installation. Slowly thread the plug down into the deck until the top of the plug is level with or slightly above the deck surface. Remove the installation screw and clean up any extra epoxy. Once the epoxy has hardened, install the rubber O-ring onto the vent screw and thread it into the vent plug until the O-ring sets down onto the vent plug. To use the vent properly, leave the vent screw slightly open when you're not using the boat. The vent should be open slightly when you first place the boat in the water. Allow the air pressure to equalize for a couple minutes and close the vent before you begin paddling. Remember to reopen the vent once you return to shore. Be aware that different air and water temperatures, direct sun or cloudy conditions, or shade can cause the air pressure inside the boat to contract or expand. As conditions change, always re-equalize the pressure by opening the valve for a short time.